Hey, greetings everybody. It's Sandy Rogers and I am here with you on day 29 of my urine water fast, and it is my pleasure to share with you today and to be with you. So I've been up already for about 12 hours and I'm still going strong and looking forward to completing more projects for today before this day is over. And tonight is my radio program at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. So I will do my best to have this posted. Before then, you can either go on to www.blogtalkradio.com/Sandy Rogers. That's SandyRodgers. Or you can call in and listen at 516-531-9819. And if you call in, that also gives you the opportunity to ask questions if you want to be live on air. It's not necessary. You can just call and listen. So that's 9 o'clock tonight. And is actually going to be in reference to the Water of Life Symposium that's coming up in just 2.5 weeks. And we have the creator with us tonight, who is Anthony A.K. King, a.k.a. my nephew. And so I'm so really proud of him and the work that he's done in the universe, and not just with this project. AK is just a wonderful individual. He's a wonderful spirit, and he does not make a difference with people. Everyone's included in his life and in his circle, and he lives his life by example. He demonstrates to people how we should live and how we get along with others and things like that. So I'm proud to call him my nephew. And again, that's 9 o'clock tonight Eastern Time. So it'll be 6 o'clock if you happen to be on the West Coast. Wanted to share something else with you too. So like I said, I've been up since about 4:30 this morning, taking care of everything that I needed to do for today. And so my first appointment was with a chiropractor, an intern, and that is a part of my self-care practice that I do every week. And so my intern for this current time frame name is Yelena, Yelena. And Yelena was working, and my shoulder was just really like that knot was not going to come out, and she kept working and kept working on it. And she was working, manipulating my spine and doing all of that. She has the little activator thing, and she was doing what she needed to do. But at the end of my appointment, she says, "What burdens are you carrying?" And I was like, she said, "Yours or somebody else, it does not matter." She said, "When you accept the responsibility of carrying burdens, ask yourself, do I really want to carry this, or do I want to let it go? Do I want to release it?" That just was like the most profound statement, bit of sage wisdom I have received in a long time. So I'm going to share it with you, right? The burdens are that you're carrying, regardless to who they are, yours or somebody else's. Do you really want to carry them, or do you want to let them go? Choice is yours. I just thought that was fabulous, so I want to share that with you. All right, so I talked with one of the followers yesterday who wanted to know about hair growth. And I also have Love All on the that's I'm in constant communication with about hair growth too. So my friend that had called me yesterday was asking about my personal hair growth. And so I shave in the morning, but about 4 or 5 hours into the day, I don't know if you can hear it, I need to shave again. So my hair is just really popping, right? So, but like I told you, to put the urine in and massage it into your scalp and just feel it, in there. And I think with with not having the food and just doing the urine and the water, that's what's really increasing my hair growth. I don't like to shave every day, but I'm going to have to because it grows so fast. And so that comment came from Eve. And so that's the answer for Eve. And love all. Like I told you in the response on the YouTube, uh, even though you are eating cooked food, I mean, there's nothing really awful about that as long as you're eating wisely with your food, not a lot of sugar and not a lot of flour and things like that. Increase your vegetable intake and steam those so that you're not losing all of the nutrients and the minerals from out of them. And just eat healthy and make sure that you're consuming a lot of water and drink as much urine as you can. And I believe that you will find you will be able to grow your hair back. Again, it may take a little time, but you didn't lose it all at one time. So, the point is, it's probably been shedding for a while, and you're just now realizing it and wanting to do something about it. So be patient. You are patient. Just allow the process to work. Because it will work. Like I said, I've got several testimonies of individuals that have grown their hair back, and it's doable, it's possible, and with you being patient, it can work. It will work. It does work. All righty. I'll see you tomorrow for day 30, and I am going to 40. So we'll see you later. Love you. Bye-bye.